Hello, how we going? Oh, look at that. Oh, I've been buying stuff again. There's a big boy in the background. But before I show you that, we'll show you this. I put a fascia in there. The doors have been painted black. Oh, the doors of the whole house have been painted black. Black and white, looks really good. I finished the fascia around the river there. As you can see, it's all the way down now. That's all finished. Had a sparky come in. So I've actually got 5 lights now. It's a lot brighter. And it's also on a dimmer switch, so if it's too bright I can fix it. And also done some scenery, so I'll show you what I've done. So I've built, oh there it is. So I started a new tunnel from the inside. I'm building a rock wall all the way around. So that should be fun to finish. I've got quite a bit to do. And then on the river itself, I'll put rocks all the way around. Well, not all the way around, but mainly all the way around. Still got to work out where to put them all, where to paint them. Because I've got to paint them the same colour, which it's going to be hard to try and match that. But you get that every now and then. But the fascia, that's just changed it all completely. And then as you can see how it comes along and drops off the edge. So we'll just have a straight edge going straight through there at the back of the town. Because right under the town here, that's where the boards join. So I put all the buildings on the join. So I don't have to worry about scenerising it and cutting scenery in half and all that sort of stuff. If you notice that thing sitting over there, we'll go around and have a look at it. So around here we'll just change the track plan a little bit, just around the station. And you can see we've got the turntable. Even though the big American locos don't fit on it, it's just mainly for display. Got the steam engines all in there. We've got another roundhouse on its way. And you have to buy more straight track coming off as well, which I didn't realise that, so that's on its way. And the signals down there, they've got to be moved. I'll move them back here somewhere. I'll put a crossover in as well. And I might make that one really long tunnel, I'm not too sure yet. But it's coming along, we're getting there. The big boy, they just keep going and going and going. Pulls his string all day, no dramas whatsoever. So we are getting there. Slowly, but you know, I need rushing stuff. I had to move all these things. There's this shelf here. This one here is not doing the best, as you can see. I've got to fix that. And I've also got a BN loco, Wellington Norman. I've got one of them. And I've got some little containers as well, chemical ones. I think you've seen the one. They're all there. I've got too much stuff. Way too much, I think. But the American Freedom Train. I've been wanting it for quite a while, but the prices of them are just out of this world. They really are. Even this one, it cost me more than that big boy. As I say in Australia, how much was that? Oh, it wasn't cheap. Yeah, it wasn't cheap at all. It's quite expensive, but it's something I've always wanted. And we finally got it. So the rock wall there, I'll use paper towel or tissue. You make up 50-50 glue and water, and you just do all the gaps in between. Let's let this thing run past. These Kato locomotives just run without a drama all day, no worries whatsoever. So that's it for an update. I'll get some trains running for you. So yeah, enjoy, look after yourselves. Well, be good and enjoy. See ya.